Don't know if anyone's seen one of these before. It's a pie iron. Basically, it's a camping cooking utensil. And you stick it in the fire. You can see it goes together like that. Anyway, this is how you use it. Get some bread, coat it in some type of butter or margarine. I use margarine because it has a higher smoke point and it'll be less likely to burn. There's all kinds of different pie irons too, different shapes and whatnot. And they're super light. And you don't need to worry about frying pans or any of that other stuff. And it cooks really easy in the fire. And you can pretty much make them sweet or savory. This one here happens to be savory. Excuse my campfire finger. I'm just gonna spread some Sweet Baby Jane on there. And on this one I got a little mustard. For this particular pie iron delicacy, I'm gonna put a bit of cheese down. Get everything gooey and glued together. And then we're gonna throw some tube steak on top of that. It's a delicacy here in Canada. Everyone loves a tube steak. There's no joke intended there. Then some onion, a little tomato. Oh, and then top it off with some more gooey cheese. You notice I'm building all on this side and not putting any on this side. You want to do that and you'll see why in a second. Anyway, then you get all your stuff on. You want to try and keep it in the pie iron part. And it doesn't matter if it all stacks up. It's actually good that it's all high like this. You want it like that. And now you'll see why. So you take your two ends and you hook them together. And then this top one, see the bread fits perfectly in there. And this top one closes on the bottom one. And then you can see our stuff trying to get out. I'm just trying to tuck it in a bit. And then on the end, there's usually a hook of some sort to hold them together while they're in the fire. So you want to try and make sure that there's nice close there. Here's our fire and our pie iron. This one's called Camp Cooker. It's made in the USA by Collins. Anyways, you don't want to stick it right in there, it'll burn. So you want to find a nice coaly spot like that. And you just set her in there. Now, if you're so inclined, you put a timer on this thing and every minute you flip it over. And you do that about 3 times. So it takes about 5 or 6 minutes and it'll be like a toasty grilled cheese when it comes out. Stay tuned. So it's been on the fire for about 5 or 6 minutes. Oops. Sometimes with this particular pie iron, it sticks a little bit on the edges, so you have to watch out for that. And that's our cooked sandwich. And you can see it's sticking around the edge a little bit. So I'll use my trusty camping knife. That was a joke. It wasn't funny. But this sandwich looks pretty darn good. Nothing like a pie iron sandwich. If you've never pie ironed before, you don't know what you're missing. So I've taken my pie iron sandwich out. And now I just need a plate and an eater. So here, hand me that plate. I'll throw it on here. This gives chopping wood a whole new meaning. And that's our pie iron sandwich. Look at that. Ooh, it looks pretty good. Here, let's see how it is. Here you go, sir. Have a bite.